Hi everyone, Andrew Brett at Johnson RV here. I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2026 Forest River Evo travel trailer. It's the 176 BHLE. Evo is a new trailer line to us. I feel like it's a really good value. It is a aluminum sided trailer, but a thicker gauge aluminum compared to a lot of competitors out there. It's a generous, larger than queen front bed here, and the bench seat for dining, which kind of keeps the space open feeling. This doesn't have a slide out. This is the bunk model. A couple bunk beds in the back there for the kids. And the bathroom. And a nice galley area. Again, this is the 2026 Forest River Vibe. We'd love to answer any questions you have on this trailer or anything else in our inventory. Give us a call, 503 668 5400.